Hi, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I am a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to talk about the new data migration tool we released. And then you can migrate data from Firebird to MariaDB, MSSQL, or MySQL. Or like between MySQL, MSSQL, MariaDB, you can migrate. And then I will start with the MariaDB. Sorry, but we don't have any description on the website yet, but we have a manual. So first of all, you can go to the website of MariaDB. Download the 10.5.8-GA and then choose OS, Windows 64-bit or 32-bit, download. And then install it. And then MariaDB you can use MySQL Workbench to connect to MariaDB. While installing MariaDB, it will ask you which port you use. And then if you already have a MySQL, 3306 is already occupied. So you can use the other port like 4000. Then you can connect to MariaDB. Sorry, but I already did the migration here. So I have a database OpenLM, but uh, uh, this manual will be given to you, so you can use this script to create the database. Basically, this SQL script is saying like create this user with this password, create database with jar set, and then grant the permission and write to that user. You can run this script, or like you can just use the GUI. UTF-8.4. This is important. UTF-8 MV4 bin. This is also important. And then Firebird is using the case sensitive and accent sensitive, so you have to choose the CS and AS here. If you don't use the bin, just apply it. Then maybe later you can run the script of the user and then permission thing. But I already done that, so I don't do it. And then it will create the empty database with empty tables. And then good thing about the new data migration tool, it will automatically run the OpenLM DB upgrade tool inside. So it will create the empty tables of OpenLM structure automatically. So you don't have to run the yeah, this one, OpenLM Server DB upgrade tool. You don't have to run it. This is all prepared for the new data migration tool. So I'm sorry, data migration folder, you have the run GUI. So please click run GUI. Okay, so source database, I choose the Firebird. So Please remember this is sysdba, and then this is master key. Master key is master key. Yeah, like this, master key, this password. And then connect. Yeah, and then MariaDB, please choose MySQL. And then I changed port to 4000. And then password you set. Then database name, then connect. So this is all set. You can press the start, and then it will give you the all logs. Log will keep appearing here, like every second, like very long text, like one by one. And then this is an indicator, like it's now processing or something. So at the end, you will see the successfully migrated to the MySQL database. MySQL database, this is MariaDB, and then it will be finished. And then, just in case, even though you see this statement, the indicator might be show you it's just now processing, and then it will hang for a while. But I mean, in that case, you if you see the uh, log is also here. This is not the log. Please go to the jobs under jobs. There's a log. And then if you see this statement in the log, you can so migration is finished. So please close this windows, and then you can connect to the database. With the OpenLM Server DB configuration tool. Yeah, OpenLM database configuration tool. MariaDB, but MySQL, and then OpenLM database. Yeah, and then root. Yeah, then apply. Then Easy Admin will automatically access to that database. So please open up the Easy Admin and then check the if there's no error. There's no error. Please check if there's no error or working fine, working normal. And then the other points we have to be careful is if the source database is Firebird, you have to upgrade. We have to match the version between database. So in that case, we have to use the database upgrade tool. OpenLM upgrade tool. So we have to match the version between the database. So this is 5.4. So maybe source database Firebird. Then you have to just match the source database and then target database version same. Yeah, and then yeah. One more thing you have to be careful is So in my machine, I installed the MSSQL, no, SQL Express, and then MySQL and MariaDB. All of servers are running together. And then data migration tool will see to the all the service, all the server while doing the data migration. So it's better. It's a kind of mandatory to stop the other database service other than the target database. So while doing the Maria database, maybe you can stop the SQL, MySQL, right? And then MariaDB, and then you have to stop the yeah SQL Server Express. It's running here, but you have to stop it like this. Then do the data migration. If all of them are running together in the same machine, data migration tool might give you the error. Okay, so this is all about it about MariaDB, and then we will move to the MySQL. Pretty much the same. So we go to the MSSQL Express. Sorry. Yeah. Server management, SQL server management. Sorry, I did the OpenLM database already. So new database, then test, then just apply. Then please choose the property, and then yeah, please check the correlation CS and AS. Then okay, and then maybe you can do the shrink database. Then just all preparation is done, so you can go to run GUI and then choose Firebird. I mean like a source database. And then MSSQL. Then run the data migration here. Then the same as MariaDB. So at the end, maybe you will see MSSQL data migration successfully finished, successfully migrated to MSSQL database. Then it's finished. But I mean, like MariaDB, it might hang for a while, doing the like indicator thing, like just processing, still processing. But if please go to the log. log. And then if you see that the line successfully finished, maybe so a data migration is finished. So please close this and then go to the OpenLM database configuration tool and then connect to the database. After that, you can go, you can open up the easy admin to check everything is okay. Okay, so this is MSSQL. And then one more thing about the data migration tool, especially MSSQL, you have to be careful, is kettle file. So this is basically the source database, and then these are out target database. So these are MSSQL integrated security. Force means like you will use the SA. You will use the user to connect SA and password or something. If you want to use a Windows authentication, this should be true. And then these data will be saved after running the data migration once. So yeah, and then yeah, please just see it in here. Maybe MSSQL Windows authentication, no user, no password. It will use a Windows account. So just in case, in that case, a kettle file like integrated security should be true. Okay, the last MySQL. The same workbench, and then MySQL. So I already done the data migration, so there's an OpenLM here, database here. But you can create the database like test and then the same UTF-8 MB4 or UTF-8 MB4 underscore bin or like CS and AS. Yeah, then apply. And then one more thing, this is you can see the description in the website, but I will show you. Set SQL underscore safe under updates equal 0. Please run this script once. Yeah. Then all preparation. Oh, I'm sorry, my English. All preparation is done. So please go to the run GUI. Then the same. Connect. And then MySQL and the 3306. And then run the start. If the correlation doesn't match between the source database and destination database, it will give you the warning here. If you try to connect the destination database, it might give you the warning. So you can go back to the correlation setting in the database and set it to CS and AS. Then start. then the same as the MariaDB and my MSSQL, like this. Successfully migrate to the MySQL database. So this is pretty much, and thank you for your listening. I hope you have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye now.